All right, Bitcoin. This is gonna be a different video from the usual. We're gonna use some technical indicators, but then I'm gonna go into the Elliott waves and Fibonacci levels. So the first thing I would like to notice is I think we are at a crossroads. If we don't have a reversal on trend, we're gonna be seeing a bigger level correction. So this is the volume profile tool. We have this level over here, we have this level over here, and we have this level over here. So right now, this level between the 60,000 and the 53,000, all of that, it's already sold off or maybe held on a negative on a long position. So now we have this level between the 53,000 and the 42,000. If it breaks below 50,000, most likely we're going to be retracing anywhere within this zone at the lowest of 42,000. I find this to be not probable, and the least probable possibility, but it's also within the possibilities, is that if we break below this low over here of 42,000, we're going to be retracing somewhere within this volume zone over here between the 42,000 and the 29,000, which is the low of this correction over here. So that's what the volume profile tool says. On the RSI, this is the 4-hour RSI, and it's showing already oversold conditions, which indicate a reversal. Another indication of a possible reversal would be I have the 4 hours 233 moving average, which is this red line over here. And then over here I have the MACD, the daily. So we can see that every time that the price goes below or gets near the 233, we have a reversal. So on this zone over here, the price hit the 233 moving average, and then we had this reversal. Over here on this wave 4, the price got very close to the 233 4 hours, and we have this reversal. So I would expect this to do the same thing over here. It's a possibility, it's probable that we went below this 233 and now we see a reversal. But like I said, it is possible that we break below this 50,000, and then we will be going at next stop somewhere between the 50 and the 42. So that's technical indicators analysis. Now we go back to Elliott waves. So over here, so far we have this ABC or W, X, and Y. So a possibility is that this is done. Another possibility we go up on another X, and then a possibility we go down on a Z. Probable and possible. Another thing is that over here on the right side, I have a Fibonacci extension of wave 1 and 2 of intermediate degree. So let me explain this. We have a wave 1 and a 2 of a primary degree. So we've been working on a wave 3. So within this primary degree, we have 5 intermediate degrees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and allegedly a wave 5 over here. So over here we have a wave 1 and a wave 2 of a intermediate degree, and this is the Fibonacci extension. I don't know if you guys are familiar with a Fibonacci ratio. levels. So we have the 0.618, the 1.0, 1.618, 2.618, 4.236, 6.857, 11.077, and 18. I think those two are key for what we're going to see right now. So I'm going to mark these on 11.077 and 18. So what I'm seeing over here at this price where we are at right now, I'm seeing a convergence of several Fibonacci retracements and extensions. So we have that 11.077 around 50,478, and the lowest that this candle went to was 50,436. So that's a strong support resistant level. So another convergence that I'm seeing over here is we have this wave 3 and 4 of intermediate degree. So we have five waves to make this intermediate degree wave 5. We have a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and we will be working on a 5. So this over here on gray and red is the Fibonacci retracement of this wave 3. I don't think it's very related to what we're seeing over here, but I think it's important because it holds a price zone action. So this is the 76.4 or the 23.6, depends how you have it set. That falls at the same level of the 11.077. So that's two of them. I have a third one on this alleged wave 5. By the way, this only works. We have this wave 1 and 2, 3 and 4. This wave 4 already went below wave 1. So the only way that this count would work is if we have an ending diagonal, which is what I've been talking about before. Because I think this went up in 3, so this would work as an ending diagonal. So we will probably be seeing an expanding ending diagonal, but that's one of the possibilities. Okay, so like I was saying, this is a wave 1, a 2, a 3, and I think a 4. So over here on the pinks, I have a Fibonacci extension, and then these two levels fall at the same level of the 0.382 extension of this wave 1. So you can see it over there, 50,728, but right there. And I have another two extensions that fall at the same level. So an extension tool from this wave. The beginning of the correction, what I think is the beginning of W, end of W, and then end of wave X over there. So the 1.236 of these two waves over here, this one and this one, it falls right over there with all the other levels. So another one that I have is the extension of this. No, I'm sorry. The extension of this and this. So beginning of Y, end of Y, beginning of Z. So we can see the 1.0 hit that level over here. So we have a bunch of Fibonacci levels convergence that could indicate a strong support level, so we can see a reversal. But yeah, that's all I have for today. Um, One thing to notice is that I'm holding a long position, so usually we see what we want to see, and then I want to believe that we are done with this correction, but there's always possibilities that we can go lower. So that's all I have for today.